Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, March the 14th, 2019. Before we get started, I just want you to know I'm going to be out of town Friday and Monday, so I probably will not get a video done for those 2 days, but I'll catch you up with everything on Tuesday. But for today, let's go ahead and get a look and see how these markets ended up. And what I've done here is I've drawn a horizontal line across where yesterday's close was for the three ETFs we follow. So first the Qs, and you can see here that we had just 0.88 relative volume. You can see way down from yesterday, just down a little bit from average. You can see we've got the red candle here. We did gap up a little bit, and then we pulled down. But if we take a look at it, we see we had a lot of wicks and tails here today. So a lot of indecision, and of course the Qs ended up closing down a little bit. So let's move on now to the spiders and see how the spiders did for the day. And once again, looking at that unchanged line there, you can see we were above it, we were below it, we were above it, and we ended up down below it. Same thing here, a lot of wicks and tails, so a lot of indecision as we're going down. Just a point to note that we are right at the highs where we always get hung up at on that. If I back this out here a little bit, and I'm going to have to go to my pointer here so I can do that. If we back that out, that's right there where we keep going up to it. It's, been a lot of support, a lot of resistance. So it could be we're just trying to get the strength to pop through there. The important thing is that we don't, keep hitting it and then retrace from there, because that might be a bad sign. So with that, let's go ahead and move on to the diamonds and see how they did. And you can see the diamonds was the only ETF we followed that posted a little bit of a gain for today. Once again, you can see it's a low range day, and you can see the height of the candles is very, very small, and once again a lot of indecision on everything there. So we ended up just up for the day. We'll have to see what happens over the next couple of days. And like I say, in all likelihood, I will not be able to get a video out, but we'll see next week where we ended up. And now let's go ahead and take a look at Holly and see how she ended up today. Holly Grill was the only active one. She had 7 trades for a profit of 77 cents. Risk on profit 278. Her best trade was SMAR, and if we look at the charts on that, you can see it's been rallying here the last several days. You can see she called it right here. It was a timed exit. She made 89 cents, but if you held it for the rest of the day, you would have made $1.18 on it. From the looks of this chart, it might be one that you're going to want to keep an eye on. It's probably due for a pullback at some point, but when it re-triggers again, it might be a good one to get into. And that was the best trade in both categories. Now moving on to Holly Grill, we had 1 trade and lost 9 cents on it. The risk one only lost 7 cents, and it was a horseshoe up strategy, and you can see she hit her stop, and obviously it was a tight stop with just the 9 cents, but then ended up, had you held it, you would have lost just 7 cents, so nothing to really talk about or look at there. And then Holly Neo had 2 trades for a profit of 43 cents, risk on loss of 35 cents. And now we'll go ahead and look and see what the best trade was there. And let's go ahead and move these charts up so we can get a look at them. It's always easier to do it this way. Her best trade was PTE. On the risk off mode, she made 25 cents, got out for a profit save, and it's a good thing she got out, because had you held it till the end, you would have made only you would have lost 74 cents. And her best trade on the risk on was AKCA. She got out because of a timed exit, and this was a short trade. Okay, so she got out because of a timed exit, and then had you held it till the end of the day, you would have made 39 cents on it. So that is your Holly. Let's go ahead and bring in our Excel spreadsheet now and see how that looks. So you can see we had for today, we had a total of 10 trades. $1.11 was the profit. $2.36 was the risk on profit. And as I want to thank you for watching today. And if you keep an eye right here, you're going to see a little pop-up. You're going to be able to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just click on that pop-up there. And down here is going to be a video come up. So you'll be able to click on that. That'll take you to a link that'll tell you all about some free stuff that we have for you that can help you out with your trading. So thank you, and God bless.